A very good morning to class 7 student. Class 7 student, now we are in the second chapter. The name of the chapter is more on MS Windows. Most probably we already completed the chapter and we have done the exercise as well. Fill in the blanks, MCQs, question and answer, true false, matchups we have done. So let's take a revision of that. So before that, I tell you one thing about burning of CD and DVD. Burning of CD and DVD. This one is a very important part because it's comes in your 10th class also. Burning of a CD and DVD is what? Burning of compact disc refers to writing data in the CD or DVD. The storage of information on the CD or DVD is only possible due to the CD or DVD writer, with which burn information onto recordable CD or DVD through laser beams. So that one is called a burning of CD and DVD. Insert a blank CD. How you can do that? Insert a blank CD DVD into the optical driver CD DVD writer. A burn disk wizard will appear on the screen. Given the disk title like this, Window 10 does not allow you more than 16 characters of CD and DVD title, and choose the options. There were two options like a USB flash drive, and the another one is like this. It's not showing. One is like a USB drive with a CD DVD player, right? So choose the option like USB flash drive if you want to edit our files later, or choose the option with a CD or DVD player. If we don't want to edit the files, if we don't want to edit the files later on, so what we will do, choose the option like a USB flash drive if you want to edit the files later, or choose the option with a CD or DVD if you don't want to edit the file later on. Means if you want to edit, you have to choose the like USB flash drive. If you don't want to edit, which with CD or DVD player. Click on next and then wait for that the disk will prepare for use. It's going to be prepared for use. Browse to any file that you would like to add to the disk. Then click on Start File Explorer this PC and open the drive containing the CD and DVD writer. Then drag and drop any file you want to write to the disk into the above folder. A progress window appears showing the disk burner progress. When the progress window disappears, the window has finished burning the disk. That means you have to read out this one again. A progress window appears. A progress window appears showing the disk burner's progress. When the progress window disappear, means whenever the window appears showing the disk burner's progress. When the progress window disappears, when it's not showing, window has finished burning the disk. When you are through copying file to the disk, right click the drive icon in the file explorer and choose the eject window. Close the session. Adding a finish. Adding what had happened, when you through a copying a file, a program will appear showing the disk burner progress. When the progress will disappear, the window was finished burning the disk. When you are through copying file to the disk, right click the driver icon in the file explorer and choose eject window. Close the session, adding a finishing touch to the disk that lets the other PCs read it. If we try to copy a large number of files to a disk which may not fit into the CD or DVD, window will display a warning message. A type of warning message come in front of you immediately. It is advised to copy fewer files at a time and perhaps space them out over two disks. It happens whenever you are going to upload some files in your mobile phone itself. If your mobile phone or your computer don't have that much of space, so automatically before downloading it, after half of download of that particular things, you get a warning message in front of you, right? A warning message that don't have that much of space, kindly clean your disk to upload that content, right? If you try to copy a large number of files to a disk which may not to fit into the CD or DVD, window will display a warning message immediately. It is advised to copy fewer files at a time and perhaps space them out over two disks. So this one is the meaning of burning a disk. And before that, after that, what we have to do, we have to learn the some definitions also. File Explorer. What is File Explorer? This is used to this is used to explore the folder and subfolder present in the hard disk of the computer. And quick access, this shows both our most recently accessed folder and pinned folders are there. Quick access. Quick access, this shows both our most recently accessed folders and pinned folders. Library, these are collection of folders which are used to manage different content. Libraries mean there are collection of folders which are used to manage different contents. Shortcut, this is an icon that points to a program or data files. They are called the shortcuts. We are creating the shortcuts. Why we are going to create a shortcuts? To this is an icon, that a type of icon we are going to generate that points to a program or data file to be quick. So that's why we are making the shortcuts. So now all of you, I already told you to make a diagram of this one. Windows 10. Windows 10, we divided Windows 10. Windows 10 is a type of a software. We divided this software into 5 parts. File Explorer, organizing file and folders, because in Windows 10 we are organizing the file and folders also. We have that type of facility in Windows 10 to organize a file and folder. On-screen keyboards, we already talk about that. There are two type of on-screen keyboards, basic and advanced keyboard. We already talked about that. Creating shortcuts, a few seconds before I already told you the shortcut. This is an icon that points to a program or data file. That one is shortcut. So this one is also be a shortcut. So creating a shortcuts, we know about this one in Windows 10. Burning of CD and DVD. Burning of CD and DVD, this one. Burning of CD and DVD means burning of compact disc and DVD. Digital versatile disk refers the writing data into the CD or DVD. The storage of information on the CD or DVD is only possible due to CD or DVD writer. Only due to the CD or DVD writer, which burns information onto recordable through laser beams. So we can do that, right? So these are the features in File Explorer. In a File Explorer, the we divided File Explorer in two parts: working in File Explorer and libraries. Working in File Explorer means whenever we are going to work in a File Explorer, and libraries, all of you know that where all the files are kept over there, they are called libraries. Working in a File Explorer, quick access, where we are getting the quick access of the files. And the next one is ribbon. Ribbon, all of you know that in a ribbon there are many options: home, share and view. Through home, share and view we get the options. And organizing a file and folder. Organize, all of you know the meaning of this organize. Organize means whenever we are going to arrange the things are called organize. Organize the things. Means how we are organized, creating a new file and folders, rename file and folders, deleting file and folders, moving copying file folders. Yes, viewing property of file and folders, and grouping file of folders, creating a new file and folders. All of you know that because some of you, whenever you are going to create a file and file in a computer, so what had happened before before saving a file, what you have to do, you have to make your personal folder over there, right? So creating a new file and folders, we are creating the file and folders, renaming file and folders. Uh, Sometimes what had happened, we are going to generate the files and automatically we save the file in the name of by default name sheet 1 sheet 2 like this. And after some time, if you want to change the name, we can change the name through which option we have to change the name of the option of that particular file. We can change, first of all we have to select that particular file. After selecting that file, we have to click on the right mouse button. Whenever we are going to right click on the mouse button, automatically we get a pop-up menu. In that pop-up menu, we have an option of rename a file. So we are going to do the rename over there, renaming the file and folders, right? And then after deleting a file or folders, deleting a file folders, whenever the work is finished, what we are going to do, we are deleting the folders and the files to get the space in computer, because sometime it happens the unnecessary file and folders are uh, make a type of a junk and computers are not working properly. That's why we are going to delete the unnecessary file and folders. So viewing properties of the file and folder, viewing properties of the file and folder, because it's very necessary to check out the properties of the file and folders, because properties tells us the size of the file and which date it modified and in which date it created and when it last modified. So the all the things are kept on the properties of the file and folder. And this file is made in which software, this one is also uh, showing in property window. So grouping a file and folder, we are grouping the file and folders itself also. So now the second one in on-screen keyboard. All of you know that the on-screen keyboards, what are on-screen keyboard? On-screen keyboards, the keyboard which are available on the on-screen, there are two type of keyboards, basic keyboard and the advanced keyboard. On-screen keyboards are two type, basic and advanced. In a basic keyboard, we have the basic keyboards in our computer lab, and the advanced keyboards are those keyboards which are available for the scientific research, because they have some different keywords, keys on that. Creating shortcuts, all of you know that we are creating shortcuts. The next one is creating a shortcuts, we are creating the shortcuts. We already talked about that shortcut, that one. Creating a shortcut means this is an icon that points to a program of data files, is called creating a shortcuts, right? Burning of CD and DVD. Burning of CD and DVD means burning of a compact disc, digital versatile disc, refers to writing data into the CD or DVD. The storage of information on the CD or DVD is only possible due to CD or DVD writer, which burns the information onto recordable CD DVD through laser beams. So the points are in what, how can we burn a CD? The steps are: insert a blank CD. First of all, what you have to do, first step is insert a blank CD, insert a blank DVD writer or CD writer, one of them, disk into the optical drive, CD or DVD writer. Then the second step, a burn disk wizard will appear in front of you. Sorry, not in front of you, will appear on screen. in front of your screen. Give the disk a title. Windows 10 does not allow more than 16 characters in the CD or DVD title. Then the third one, choose the option like a USB flash drive if we want to edit the files later, or choose the options with a CD DVD player. If we don't want to edit the file later on, we can click the next and then wait while the disk is prepared for use. Browse to any file that you would like to add to the disk and then click Start File Explorer, then with this PC, and open the drive container, the CD and DVD writer. Drag and drop any file you want to write to the disk into the above folder. A progress window appears showing the disk burns progress. When the progress window disappears, the window has finished burning the disk. When you are through copying file to the disk, right click the driver icon in the file explorer and choose eject window. Close the session, adding a finishing touch to the disk that lets you PC is ready. So if we try to copy a large number of files to a disk which may not be fit into the CD or DVD, window will display a warning message, a type of warning message immediately. It is advised to copy files at a time and perhaps space them out over to disk. So this one is about the burning of CD and DVD. So now moving forward to the fill ups. Dash is the file management application in a Windows 10. File Explorer. File Explorer is the file management application in Windows 10. And the next one, Dash is situated at the top of the File Explorer. Ribbon is situated at the top of the File Explorer. Dash button on the View tab helps to arrange the file and folders in ascending or descending order. Which one button? Sort by button. We have the sort by button. The sort by button displays at A to Z or Z to A like that. Then the next one, we can get back our deleted file or folder from the recycle bin. All of you know that, placed on the desktop. Most probably recycle bins are placed on the desktop. The last one, shortcut on displays. Shortcut on desktop is a direct link to a program on the computer. Yes, that's why we are making the shortcuts. The true and false. Microsoft Cloud Storage Device Service OneDrive does not exist in the quick access. False. This one is false because cloud storage device exists more than one drives. List view display the file and folders as a list. Proceed by the small icons. Very correct. True. Sort by option can display the folder only in ascending orders. False, because they display the folders in descending order also. The property of a file and folder cannot be viewed. False, we can view the property of the file and folder. There is no difference in the basic and the advanced on-screen keyboard. False, there is a very big difference between the advanced and on-screen keyboard. Now moving forward to the MCQs. Ribbon of the File Explorer has these three tabs. Which three tabs are there? Home, Start and View. The second one, the following action can be performed on folders. All the actions can be performed on folders. Create and delete folder, rename a folder, move and copy a folder. All the options can be performed on folders. Yes. Then the next one, we press dash from the keyboard to paste a folder. If we copy a folder, then if we want to paste a folder, what we have to press? Control plus U for underline, right? Control plus V control plus V for paste, and control plus Y for redo, and control plus W for writing a text. Then the D, the file folders can be grouped inside the file folders can be grouped inside a folder according to these categories. You can group the file and folders through these categories. The categories are date, modified, size, type and name. These are the options through which we can group the folders or files. We can group the file and folders. These are the categories: date, modified, size, type and name. So these are the options. The last one, the type of on-screen keyboard available are advanced and basic. Yes, both of them are available on screen keyboard. Available, yes. So the answer is both, first and second. Now moving forward to the question and answer. The question and answers, we have to do MCQs. We already done. So now moving forward to the question and answers. What are pinned folders? What are pinned folder? Pinned a file or folder to the top of the folder so it always appears at the top for easy access. Why we are going to pin a folder? To get a easy access. When you pin a folder, file or folder, it pinned for everyone. That means every time it's showing in the top of the files. Who has access to that folder? Everyone who has occur can pin and unpin that file or folder. Anyone can pin or unpin that folder. Right? Now moving forward to the next one. What is the use of sort by button on the view tab? What is the use of sort by button on the view tab? Sort by button is used for to arrange the folders or arrange the files or arrange the names in a alphabetically order or in descending order, ascending or descending order. So the main theme is that, right? Sort by button arrange the file and folders in various options. We already discussed about that, right? So sort by button arrange the file and folders in various options. The folders are displayed as per the selection made in the menu of sort by the folders. Can be displayed in ascending or descending order of the folder file name. Right? So these are the options. Now moving forward. What are libraries? Libraries. We already talked about that. What are libraries? Libraries. What are libraries? All of you know that because all of you having a library in their schools. Every school having their library from where you get the new books and the different writers book. You find it out the answers of the problems, whatever the problems you are facing. So what are library? Library are collection of folders which are used to manage different content. Libraries are collection of folders which are used to manage different content. These gather edit folders that are stored in different location. So we can explore them in one place. So what we are going to do, we are going to explore them in a one place. That place is called a library. So what are libraries? Libraries are collection of folders which are used to manage different content. These gathered edit folders that are stored in different locations so we can explore them in a one place. The next question. How can you create a new folder from the ribbon menu? How can you create a new folder from the ribbon menu? To create a new folder from the ribbon menu, the steps are, there are two steps. First, navigate to the location we want to the folder to be in. Navigate to the location. First of all, we have to navigate the location we want the folder to be in. Then the next one, click on the new folder in the home tab. Automatically what had happened, new folder has been generated in front of you. So these are only 2 steps are there. Then the next one, name the types of on-screen keyboard. All of you know that there are 2 types of on-screen keyboards are there. 2 types of on-screen keyboards are basic touch keyboard and advanced on-screen keyboard. Only 2 types of keyboards are there. Basic touch keyboard and advanced on-screen keyboards. The last one, what is shortcut? Shortcut is an icon that shortcut is an icon that points to a program or data file. It is a direct link to the program on the computer. The file is not physically stored on the desktop. Physically it's not stored, it's going to only the shortcut to reach the file or folder. So this one is all about the chapter. We already finished the second chapter, so all of you have to note it down these question and answers in your notebook, and then after send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. So students, take care yourself. Bye bye, and learn all the question and answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.